Today I'm turning corn into a vibrant smoky street corn salad that packs crunch, color, and bold flavor. I'm Rose Oakley, let's get cooking. You'll need 6 ears of corn. Cut off 1 end of each husk, bend the ear to locate the cut line, then peel lightly to expose the corn, leaving about 2 to 3 husk layers intact. Once done, soak them in water for about 20 minutes. Then roast entire ears on the grill at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius until the husks turn a hint of yellow and the kernels blister with a char. Flip to roast all sides evenly. If you prefer, chuck the kernels and roast them in a cast iron skillet with a touch of oil for a few minutes until lightly caramelized. After roasting, let the corn rest briefly to cool, then peel away the remaining husks. Grab your salad bowl and add a small bowl in the center. Place corn flat side down and cut kernels off. On a cutting board, the kernels tend to fly, so a wide bowl, butt pan, or shallow dish keeps everything tidy. Once done, dice 1 red bell pepper. I'll be using this quick dice tool to speed things up. It's really handy. A link to the tool will be in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Now dice about half of a red onion for crisp sweetness. You'll also want to finely mince 2 garlic cloves. Add 1/4 to half of a jalapeno, seeds removed for milder heat. Mine wasn't really hot at all. Dice very finely to avoid big chunks. Chop a small bunch of cilantro to brighten the flavor. To keep things fresh, squeeze half of a lime to start. Then, in a small bowl, squeeze the other half along with an additional full lime to yield about 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice in total. Next, add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. My preference is Hellmann's. Stir until smooth and well combined, then add half a teaspoon of cumin and half teaspoon oregano. Mix and set aside to let the flavors melt. Next, crumble some queso fresco. I'm using about half. If queso fresco isn't available, Feta cheese is a great alternative. I'll also be using grated Cotija cheese as a second cheese. Parmesan is another viable substitute if needed. Here I've also chopped 2 avocados we'll add to our veggie mix. Now add all your chopped veggies to the corn, then pour in your prepared dressing and mix. Sprinkle a light dusting of chili powder. I like using McCormick brand, then fold in half of the crumbled queso fresco. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then add some cotija cheese and mix. I like to top with extra queso fresco, cotija, and a sprinkle of Tajin for bright citrusy heat. Garnish with a cilantro leaf and a lime slice for a pop of color and fresh aroma. Enjoy as a vibrant side dish or double it as a dip with tortilla chips for a crowd-pleasing snack. For best texture, serve slightly chilled or at room temperature and give it a quick toss before serving. Serve it up and savor the vibrant flavors. Your guests will be asking for this recipe at every cookout.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!